guys, if you want to do this style, this particular style I call 3 minutes, you can do it when you are standing, you can do it when you sit down. It's very easy. So I decided to explain. The more you explain, the more the minutes of the video go longer. Okay, so you can use any fabric. You can use any fabric to do this style. You can use any fabric. You can use akara. You can use ashoke. You can use any. In fact, after I finish this with this material, I'm going to use seko gele to do the same style. You can use any fabric you have, but this style don't need long knits. This style don't need too much long knits. So the length of this particular style, let it be between 65 to 70, highest 75. When you have 85, 90, it's going to give you a lot of problem. So look for your short material like 70, 65 to 70 is fine for this particular style. Okay, let's get started. So the wideness is, you can use any wideness, any wide. So like this particular one is 3 layers joining, 1 2 3. You know, ashoke, some of them have 4, some of them have 5. This one is 3 joining, 1 2 3, 3 joining. Okay, so what you are going to do, you will just take everything together like this. Then this is the latest upgrade of that same style. You twist, you twist, you twist. Once you twist like this, then you grab it and leave it there. You continue your twisting. Continue your twisting. Place this one that you start, the one that this starting, place it here for you not to mix it. Continue your twisting. Continue your twisting. Continue your twisting. During your twisting, don't worry about this one that you already achieved. If it's folding, don't worry, just continue your twisting. Continue your twisting. Continue your twisting. Then you will now leave like little bits, like just 1 inch, 1.5. Let me just say 1.5. Just leave like little bits at the tip. Don't twist the tip, leave this tip. We are going to use this tip later to create the fan. Okay, now you will now grab the one you used to, the one you keep in this part before. Now you will now open it like this. Just open it so that the twisting will be easy for you to handle. Now this part is not twist, this part is twist. So you will not take the beginning from here, place it here, you know, where this part where is end, where the twisty end, you know, this part I did not twist it. Just place this one and open this one, open it like this, open it, place this one inside like this, place it inside, use it to wrap it like this. Just use it to wrap it. So use it to wrap it. Now you have it like this. Okay, this is how you are going to use it to tie your hair. You place your hand like this. You place it in your head like this. Place it in your head. Look at the back. Another thing, make sure you pack your hair. Make sure you pack your hair. If you want to leave your hair, fly your hair, is fine. But if you want to pack your hair, pack your hair. If you are without hair, you don't have this type of hair, you cannot just leave it like this. Either you wear wig, wear anything under, because this place there must be something. Just hold this place like this. bring out your hand like this, place it like this. Okay, this one, let it come, just bring it this way, bring it. Now you use this hand to grab this, use it to grab this, then you now use this hand to support and drag this one out, pull it out, pull it, this one that was here before, you pull it out from here. Once you pull it out, use this hand to grab this one, then use this hand to bring this one. So make sure you don't allow this place to be open, bring them together, bring them together. This one that is coming from here, make sure you pull it, drag it up like this. Okay, now it's very tight. Yes, as you can see, it's tight now. Okay, now you now open this, open it like this, open it, open it, very easy. Open it, open it, open it, open it. Yes, you pull it, just pull it out. As you are pulling it, the thing is creating rows, automatic rows. Then you take this edge, just use one pin there, use one pin. Try and look for the color of the fabric. If you have different color there, just choose the fabric color. Just protect this place with one pin. Okay, now rose is ready. You now do the setup like this place, bring it together like this, set it up. This back, you can open it like this. You can just set it up to your taste, the way you want it. Okay, this one is with explanation. Very easy to tie. Yes, this is the final. This is the first one. This is the final. This is the final. Okay.